In today's video, we'll show you a quick and easy way to convert your live photos into videos right on your iPhone. Live photos are a fantastic feature, capturing a brief moment in motion, but sometimes you want to share them as videos with your friends and family. Let's first take a couple of live photos, and after that I'm gonna convert them into videos that we can share on TikTok, Instagram, or wherever you want to. I'll open my camera application and then I'll simply enable the live photos feature. And I will take a couple of live photos of my keyboard. Once I have the photos in my Photos application, we'll open them, and here are my live photos which I want to convert into a video. All you have to do is to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen, and this falling menu will pop up with a bunch of different options. You want to select this option called Save as Video and wait a second or two until your live photo converts into a video. And as you can see, the live photo is converted into a video. It also has the sound that you took while taking that live photo. Now you can share this as a video file with your friends and family members. If you want more similar tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.